Let us learn today to make small simple sentences. Let's get started. What do you see in this picture? Now try and say and make a sentence out of it. A cat is on a mat. What do you see in this picture? Let's try and say it. It is an apple. What is this? What do you see in this picture? Let's try to say it. There are 3 bananas. What do you see in this picture? Let's try. It is a school bus. What do you see here? What is in the picture? Let's say. A girl is walking. What do you see in this picture? What is this? The sun is shining. What do you see in this picture? Let's try and make a sentence out of it. A boy is jumping. What do we see here? Let's try and make a simple small sentence out of it. A dog is playing with a ball. What is this? Let's try to make a sentence. The sky is blue. What is this? Come on, let's try. It is a pen. We did it. Great work.